Hi everyone and welcome to Scepter Pilot. This video is a montage of clips I shot during my ride to the enchanting Western Ghats of India. Stay tuned to enjoy the views of the very well-maintained national and state highways of Karnataka and some spectacular twisties in the heart of the Western Ghats. I started from my residence on Bangalore Road in Bangalore at around 6:10 am. I stopped for fuel at the Shell pump close to my place and dashed off to take the nice road. I entered the nice road in Kottigehara and bought the toll all the way until the Tumkur road exit. As of September 2021, the nice road was in a decent condition and I covered the 35km stretch in about 20 minutes. If my memory serves right, it cost me about 55 rupees in toll and they accepted card and cash payments. As of Feb 22, the asphalt sections are being concretized and the same distance will take way longer even on a motorcycle. I rode for 3 days in total. On the first day, I rode all the way till Agumbe. The route I took was via Nelmangla, Hassan, Belur, Aldur, Balehonnur and Sringeri. On the second day, I rode with a friend of mine who came down from Tirthalli to meet me in Agumbe. We rode to Kundadri Betta and then to Sringeri to pay a quick visit to the Sharda Peetha and proceeded to ride through the Kudremukha National Park all the way till Hornadu. On the last day, I rode back via Hornadu to Bangalore via Kottigehara, Mudigere, Belur, Hassan, Nelmangla and back home via the nice road again. The Bangalore-Hassan highway is a bliss to ride on. Most stretches are well demarcated. A few things to watch out for are rumble strips, people riding and driving on the wrong side of the road, and pedestrians while passing through some of the smaller towns. With the exception of these, one can easily maintain safe triple-digit speeds and reach Hassan in about 2.5 hours from Nelmangla. Just after crossing Belur, I felt a little hungry and pulled into Hotel Dhruvatare for a sumptuous breakfast before dashing off all the way till Hassan. This is one of my favorite sections of the Bangalore-Hassan highway. Once you leave the highway from Hassan towards the splendid district of Chikmagalur, the roads become narrower but are of superior quality. You can certainly maintain some good speeds, but you shouldn't forget that these are way narrower than the roads you just came from and always be on guard for unmarked speed breakers. Do sit back and enjoy the visuals of the fabulous serpentine inner roads from Belur to Agumbe in the heart of the mighty Western Ghats. A huge shout out to the driver of this Karnataka State Road Transport Corporation bus belonging to the Chikmagalur depot and flying between Bangalore and Sringeri. Professional bus pilots like him ensure the safety of not just their own passengers but fellow motorists alike. The district of Chikmagalur is not known just for its coffee estates. There are a handful of tea estates that you'd find all around the district as well. Upon reaching Agumbe, I made my way through a little bit of a jungle to get to the place where I had to camp for the night. I woke up pretty early the next morning. After freshening up and packing up my tent, I rode through some trails along the border of the Agumbe rainforest. I then proceeded to meet my friend who had ridden down from Tirthalli to ride with me for that day. My friend Narsimha rides an Interceptor which has now been modified to look like a Continental GT650. Together, we rode to Kundadri Betta, then to Sringeri and finally all the way to Samse via the Kudremukha National Park. At Samse, Narsimha decided to go back home to Tirthalli while I proceeded to Hornadu to spend the night. Kundadri is a gigantic monolithic rock formation. It's surrounded by dense evergreen forests. Stay tuned to view some aerial shots from the top of Kundadri Betta. We reached the checkpost of the Kudremukha National Park after a quick stop at the Sringeri Sharda Peetha. At the entrance of the park, your details are noted and you are given a QR code with your entry time recorded. You are expected to leave the park no quicker or no later than an hour and a half to 2 after entering the park. It is recommended to drive slow through the national park, keeping in mind the safety of the wildlife. Here are some pictures from inside the national park. To view them better, head over to Scepter Pilot on Instagram. After seeing off Narsimha, I checked into one of the homestays in Hornadu and spent the night camping with some locals. I checked out of my stay after breakfast and proceeded back home to Bangalore, completing yet another memorable ride. Watch the video all the way till the end to view one of my favorite time lapses.